Lock screen. A lock screen is the interface that appears when a device is secured and not in active use. It has existed since early computing systems as a way to protect access. What makes it different is that it is not a single method, but the overall system that holds all unlocking options. It matters because it acts as the first layer of privacy and security for any device. Pattern lock screen. A pattern lock screen lets the user draw a specific shape by connecting dots on a grid. It became popular with touchscreen smartphones because it feels natural and visual rather than numeric. What makes it different is the reliance on muscle memory, where the hand remembers the motion more than the mind remembers a code. It matters because it is quick and intuitive, though it can be vulnerable if someone watches the pattern being drawn. Pin lock screen. A pin lock screen uses a short string of numbers to unlock a device. It comes from early phone security systems where speed and simplicity were important. The key difference is its balance between convenience and protection, since shorter pins are easier to enter, but less secure. It matters because it remains one of the most common methods due to how fast and familiar it is. Password lock screen. A password lock screen requires a mix of letters, numbers, and sometimes symbols. It originates from computer security practices where stronger protection is needed. What sets it apart is its flexibility, allowing users to create complex combinations that are harder to guess. It matters because it offers stronger security, even though it takes longer to type. Fingerprint lock screen. A fingerprint lock screen uses a sensor to scan the unique ridges of a user's finger. It became widespread as biometric technology improved in smartphones. The difference lies in using physical identity instead of something you remember. It matters because it is both fast and convenient, though it depends on the sensor reading correctly. Face lock screen. A face lock screen unlocks the device by recognizing the user's face. It evolved from simple camera-based systems into more advanced 3D scanning technology. What makes it different is that it requires no touch at all, just a glance at the screen. It matters because it feels seamless, though performance can change depending on lighting and device quality. Iris scan lock screen. An iris scan lock screen analyzes the detailed patterns in a person's eyes. It was introduced as a high-security biometric option on certain devices. The key difference is its precision, since iris patterns are extremely unique and difficult to copy. It matters because it offers strong protection, though it is less common due to cost and user convenience. Swipe lock screen. A swipe lock screen simply requires sliding a finger across the screen to unlock. It appeared in early smartphones mainly to prevent accidental touches. What makes it different is that it does not truly secure the device, but acts as a basic barrier. It matters because it is fast and simple, though it provides almost no real protection. Smart lock screen. A smart lock screen unlocks automatically under trusted conditions, like being near a known device or location. It was developed to reduce the need for constant manual unlocking. The difference lies in its awareness of context, adjusting security based on the situation. It matters because it adds convenience while still keeping security active when needed. Knock code lock screen. A knock code lock screen allows users to tap a specific pattern on different parts of the screen. It was introduced as an alternative to traditional patterns and pins. What makes it different is that it combines rhythm and position, creating a more private way to unlock. It matters because it can be entered without looking closely at the screen, making it harder for others to observe. Voice lock screen. A voice lock screen unlocks the device using a spoken phrase. It developed from voice recognition technology used in digital assistants. The key difference is that it relies on sound and speech patterns instead of touch or sight. It matters because it offers a hands-free option, though it can be affected by noise or changes in the user's voice.